Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Update to the latest iOS and back up your device to iCloud or a computer. Once done, open Settings and tap Accessibility, then face ID and Attention or Display settings depending on model. Make sure to keep the phone on and connected to power if busy. You're initiating system-level customization, so avoid force closing settings. Instead, proceed step by step to reach the dynamic island options and personalization pane. You'll now enter the dynamic island customization area and choose how it behaves for incoming notifications and ongoing activities. Once inside, pick an appearance, compact for minimal view or detailed for expanded info, and assign which apps can expand the island. Make sure to tweak animations and color accents so they match your wallpaper. These influence perceived responsiveness. You're setting app priorities so favored apps expand first, so test with music, maps, and a timer to confirm the behavior matches expectations. You'll save your changes and then restart the iPhone to ensure system-level tweaks take effect. Once it reboots, test by playing music, starting navigation, and receiving a call. Make sure the island expands correctly and that app priority order functions as set. If something doesn't work, try toggling dynamic island options off and back on, force restart the phone, and reinstall or update the misbehaving app. If problems persist, reset only settings, not erase data, before contacting Apple support for deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.